Experience the thrill of water sports in Port Vila. From snorkeling to kayaking, dive into the adventure of a lifetime. Explore pristine waters, stunning coastlines, and immerse yourself in nature with the top water activities. Port Vila, Blue Lagoon and Baby Turtles Tour with BBQ Lunch. On a full-day tour of Port Vila's most prominent attractions, guests embark on an enriching journey through the city's vibrant landscape. Commencing their exploration from the picturesque Blue Lagoon, bathed in its serene, crystal-clear waters, framed by verdant rainforests, visitors immerse themselves in the tranquility of nature. Following the lagoon, they proceed to Banana Bay Beach Club, where a delightful barbecue buffet lunch awaits them. The menu features a variety of tropical vegetables seasoned with care, ensuring every taste buds are delighted. Post-lunch, guests make their way to Reef Zoology, a sanctuary dedicated to marine life conservation and educational purposes. This unique opportunity allows individuals to interact closely with young turtle hatchlings, fostering a deeper appreciation for these gentle creatures. As the afternoon progresses, travelers reach their destination, the bustling market in Port Vila. Diverse stalls offer an array of goods, including duty-free items and traditional handicrafts. This shopping experience provides memorable souvenirs to cherish as cherished memories of their time in Vanuatu. The concluding phase of the tour concludes with a leisurely drive back to the hotel or cruise ship terminal, marking the end of an exciting adventure filled with diverse experiences and unforgettable moments in Port Vila. Glass Bottom Boat Tour and Snorkelling Adventure Port Vila. Embark on a thrilling journey aboard the world's largest glass bottom boat in Vanuatu. Discover the mesmerizing coral reefs and diverse marine life, both from above and beneath the surface, as you glide through Port Vila Harbor. Our spacious two-level vessel accommodates all preferences, whether you seek a relaxing cruise or adventurous exploration. Departures occur daily from our picturesque seafront gate, where our expert staff welcomes you and assists with boarding. Enjoy panoramic views of the vibrant Port Vila skyline and surrounding islands from the comfort of the boat's transparent floor. Afterward, indulge in an optional snorkeling experience at either the scenic Iririki Island Resort or another nearby destination, allowing you to immerse yourself in the intimate world of tropical marine life. Port Vila, Pepeyo, Blue Lagoon and Eden Tour. Your island adventure commences with a unique opportunity to visit Pepeyo Cultural and Educational Village. Located approximately 12 kilometers from Port Vila Township, this picturesque setting offers visitors a tranquil retreat within the verdant forests of Tioma. Upon arrival, guests are warmly welcomed by the village chief and his warrior clan, who display their traditional weaponry such as clubs, spears, bows and arrows. The cultural journey continues with an exploration of the ancient techniques employed by local inhabitants to capture game animals. Visitors can witness demonstrations of trapping skills, including the use of traps designed to ensnare pigs, chickens, and fish. An engaging activity involves testing whether a fish is safe to consume by observing ant behavior around the specimen. If ants avoid the fish, it is deemed safe, while its consumption may indicate potential toxicity. Following the educational segment, guests proceed to the mesmerizing Blue Lagoon, known for its crystal-clear waters and pristine natural beauty. Upon reaching the site, one is immediately captivated by the sight of these enchanting waters, which offer a serene escape from everyday life. Our concluding highlight is the stunning Eden on the river, offering panoramic vistas and a grandiose mini waterfall. Post-swimming, indulge in a sumptuous barbecue lunch featuring succulent Vanuatu steaks, chicken, sausages, salads and rice. Following the meal, passengers embark on a memorable journey back to their initial point of departure, or return to the cruise ship terminal upon completion of the tour.